The company has strong technical force, complete talent team. The company has more than 300 sets of various types of testing, production and test equipment sets and flexible processing lines and assembly lines in the production process of products, and has built 5 functional production and research and development bases for organic processing, tooth making, heat treatment, gear grinding and assembly. With provincial engineering research centers and engineering technology research centers, management teams, and high-quality industrial workers, with sophisticated equipment at home and abroad, relying on a complete technology research and development platform and research and development team. We have built a scientific, in technological research and development, and independent innovation system combining production, education, and research, with independent intellectual property rights, obtained a number of patent certificates, and the core technology of leading products has independent intellectual property rights.